Hello friends, in this video I want to show you how to make a wall-mounted or under-table dispenser for trash bags in rolls. I'm sure you have these in your country or wherever you live. These bags come in rolls. They have a perforated line where you cut it off there, and you can use this bag for trash in your kitchen, in the bathroom, or any other place in the house. And the thing is that these bags, we usually keep them inside a drawer, in a cupboard, or we even leave it on top of our workspace, and it's cumbersome, inefficient, gets in the way, so on. So I thought it was a good idea to make a dispenser, to have this organized either on the wall, or better still, under a table, out of view, but accessible, and easy to find, and peel off a roll without it leaving the place where it's mounted. Making everything much more efficient, clean, and easy to find. Now, this is what this video is about. How to make a wall-mounted or under-table dispenser for our trash bags in rolls. For this job we need a PVC pipe of 50 millimeters wide. And we have two kinds of bags. Bags with handles of 50 by 65 centimeters and bags without handles of 50 by 70 centimeters. These rows of bags fit perfectly well inside this tube 50 millimeter wide. Now, we put the tube, of PVC tube, we hold it in place there, and we make a cut all along the length. Now we've made the cut, we have to make a pair of holes there to screw it into the wall or the table. Before we put the bags, plastic bags, inside the dispenser, we have to sandpaper the plastic, the cut, so it's soft and doesn't cut the plastic. Now if the cut is too tight and it doesn't let the plastic out easily, we can always warm up the PVC on the back with a torch or on the cooker, and open up the cut a bit more. To leave it open so it comes out, the plastic bags come out easy and it doesn't rip the plastic. Now to place the screws inside, we have to hold them between our fingers and very carefully find the hole and push the point of the screw through the hole. There. And there we get the screwdriver, place it in there, and that's how we screw the screw into the wall or under the table. Now, it's not necessary for it to be so tight there. I'm going to leave a little space there for it to come out easy. There we are. Ready to screw in. Now, these holes are 4.5 centimeters apart one from the other. They aren't perfectly in line with the axis of the tube. They're a bit crooked. But the important thing is to keep them 4.5 centimeters apart. So if we put two holes 4.5 centimeters apart here, in line with this border, it'll be a bit crooked inwards. But the important thing is, that doesn't really matter. The important thing is we must be sure that the holes are 4.5 centimeters apart. First observation, if we pull the bag like this, it comes out quite swiftly with no problem. If we pull it like this part of the bag kind of gets stuck in the way and gives problems. So it's better to put it this way. And here we have our bag to use it with our trash. Okay, that's it with the holder, the dispenser of bags. And before leaving, I will leave some tips about how to open these bags. With the pandemic, before the pandemic, we used to open these bags blowing and wetting our fingers and to get it wet there and be able to open them. But now with the pandemic we can't do that because it's not something we should recommend. But there are other methods and you can find them in YouTube all over the place. And one of them consists of pulling the bags till these little tabs come out. Once these tabs come out, we get hold of them and we can pull the bag open. Other method is with your fingers, you move this one that way, this one that way until it gets soft and the plastic separates. And if you have problems with arthritis in your fingers, you can use your whole hand, the palm of your hand, and go like this lots of times, and that warms up the plastic. It gets it nice and hot and it softens the plastic and we can put it apart. And that's it. Well, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please remember give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.